before data mining, you need to understand what is the data and how the data is like working. So the data is what is a collection of facts usually obtained as a result of experiences. Okay, so it can be in the result obtained from the experiences you do it on the daily basis, some observation, what you see, what you hear, some experiments, or in the form of experiments. So anything facts. So it's a collection of facts from observation, experiences, and experiments over there. Data can be different. It can be numbers, it can be characters, it can be words, it can be images, it can be videos, it can be links. So it can be data can be in different formats as well. So what is the data? It's the lowest level of abstraction. So what's the lowest level of abstraction means what low you can think on it. Okay. So like 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. This is the lowest level of abstraction in like for the if you go to the KG1, so you learn the lowest level of abstraction, which is alphabets over there. So these are also the lowest level of abstraction from which information and knowledge are derived over there. So from data you extract the information, and when you add experience, it becomes a knowledge over there. Now there is some like a characterization of the data. Two kinds of data we have. One is called categorical data, another is called numeric data. Numerical mean number. See, numerical mean number like
Yeah,
one,
no,
two, three.
those
Uh,
are
yeah, categorical means A, B, C. See,
Alphabets.
alphabet. Yeah, alphabet. This is alphabet. Okay, AL alphabet, and this one is numbers. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 2.5. Okay, so these are all numbers. Okay, whether floating value or non-floating value, all the numbers. Okay, here are all alphabets A, B, C, or like or can be alphanumeric as well, right? So this is called two categories over there. Inside these categories there are further categories over there, right? For alphabet we have like a nominal, okay, and ordinal. Numerical means where there's it can be a round figure like 1, 2, 3, 4, or it can be like 1.1, 1.2, or some this kind of figures over there. In that one we have a two kind of data. One is called interval data, and another is called a ratio data.